Kublai pi baro kinikilong ki kubor bamda kasngi. Ka annual conference ka Meghalaya Civil Service Officers Association MCS OA kala pelong mentah Street Convention Center Shillong but Chief Minister Conrad ki Sangma kum Chief Guest. Menteri Rangba ula Kyntu bat kermen ye ki MCS officer ban Trei bah ula pharu ka jingtip halor ka kam jingkari halor ka jingya ki shnong ka jilla. Ya kerdan baka kam kila ban bah ndai ka jing snothu kare ka ba shem la shubiang. Ke India kan chupin mi jing pelong ka babiang lada ki politician ki tip ban ong no but ki officers ki tip ban ong yes. Ula pelong jing tip halor ki reforms baladep yo ban pendep ya ka Meghalaya cadre ka baklan ya ka IAS ka ba ulas dang shibun snem hadin arajar khat khandai. Ula Kyntu ban ai jingtip bat jingkhen shibuni ki officers haki program bapen iye ki jingtip hakakam sarkar ha India bat hakaprathai.
Which I always say is the people of our state. And I think no work or no kind of thought process and no action is meaningful without realizing this inside and telling yourself that that is what you're here for. So I think as a team, we need to keep that goal in mind. And I can't stop, in fact, reiterating and stressing on this very, very important objective. Because if this objective and this purpose is not clear in front of you, I'll tell you there are so many situations where you will be misguided, you will, divert, you will maybe end up doing the wrong things, which at the end of the day will be harmful to the people as well as to you. And therefore, I think, I repeat this, I know it's very tiring for all of you to hear this every time, but I hope that every morning when you get up, that is the first thing that you should tell yourself. That there is a purpose for me, and the purpose is to do some good for the person who I meet today and for the people of my state, and be able to make that positive difference in their life. And I think this reminder of this every morning, again I'm sharing something slightly personal, but this is really my morning prayer. I'm being very candid with you today.